What if I told you you could start your own clothing boutique without ever touching any inventory? That's exactly what I just did using Deer Lover. I'm showing you how it works, what I picked, and how everything here fits. And yup, I've got a special collab code so you can also get started. I will be linking it in the description box below, and I'll also have it flashing across the screen for you. So you will also be able to get started with drop shipping through Deer Lover and find some exquisite pieces like these at great prices. So Deer Lover is basically your behind the scenes bestie if you want to sell clothes online, whether you're building a boutique or just want a side hustle that makes you some extra money. Deer Lover may be the way to go. With Deer Lover, they drop ship your items so you never have to touch a piece of inventory. They do all of that for you. It's pretty easy to use. You just go online, set up your account, link in your store or your boutique such as Shopify, and get started. Deer Lover does all the rest. They store it, they pack it, and they ship it under your name. I had to try these items out myself. These are the items that I picked, and yes, I'm going to try them all on so you can see how they fit and what you think of these clothing items. Spoiler alert, I love every single piece in here. I love these pieces so much that I actually went in and placed another order for myself. There is a very low minimum order if you do the wholesale. I believe it's 7 items, and they take care of all the tariffs. It's all included in the shipping prices, so you don't ever have to pay an unexpected tariff either. Deer Lover just takes care of all of that for you. Let's go through what I actually picked out and how each item looks on me. The first thing I picked out is this adorable 2-piece short set. This is a shirt with a matching pair of shorts. This is so adorable. This is the one item that I actually picked up in a large because I wasn't sure how any of these items were going to fit me. So this one is in a large. The material is really super heavy. It's a ribbed type material. It's not cheap quality at all. I was actually rather floored by how good quality this material is. It comes with matching shorts, as I said. Everything is super stretchy, high quality material. We have your elastic waistband. In your shorts, you have a drawstring so you can tighten these down. And this outfit is just absolutely adorable with a matching t-shirt. Next up, I have this adorable little romper. This is a short set romper, 1 piece. It has bow ties up here at the shoulders. I think this might be my favorite item out of all the items that I got. I don't not like any of these items. In the back, we have the elastic, kind of like a tank top almost, that tank top elastic material. And in the front is just a basic kind of square neck almost. This is absolutely adorable. It has a pocket here. We're going to also try that on. Next, I picked out this blue t-shirt. This is a ribbed material. It almost looks like it's inside out, but it's not. It's supposed to be this way. And I think that adds to its uniqueness. It's very stretchy and very, very comfortable. These are the sleeves. This t-shirt was so comfortable. Picked up a pair of jeans to pair with this shirt. I figure that these two here are going to look wonderful together. So when I try these on here in a minute, I'm pairing these two together. Lastly, I picked up this two-piece outfit. This came as a set, a two-piece set. It is this blue shirt. It has a square neckline. This also comes with matching shorts. Again, we have very stretchy material. The thing about these is this waistband is unbelievable. And I'm going to talk a little more about that when you see me with this on. Here is my first set. I'm not going to lie, this almost gives off some prison vibes for me, but I also think it's adorable. This is the one and only item that I ordered in a large because I wasn't quite sure how the pieces were going to fit. I ordered this in a large. Everything else back here is in an extra large. But this is how the large fits. This material, as I said, super stretchy. The stitching in it, I'm not really sure how to describe. It's textured. The shorts have a drawstring, so you can tighten them or loosen them. There's room in the large. I feel like I would have definitely been happier with an extra large, but the large does fit. And it's super cute. This is the back. They had a pair of sneakers, like a pair of gold Converse sneakers that I ordered, and I thought that that would pair well with a few of these pieces. But I'm waiting on those. Looking at it a second time, I think it's a lot cuter on camera than I thought in the mirror. In the mirror, it kind of gave me prison vibes. But looking at it on camera, I'm liking it. Really cute. Is total brunch vibes right here. The fit, for me, chef's kiss. It's not overly baggy on me, and it's not overly tight. It has two pockets here. I have room to move, room to breathe. I can bend. I love this. I didn't even pair it with a shirt. I just paired it right over my sports bra. You could put this over a swimsuit if you wanted to and rock the beach. It has the ties right here. I had to tighten up the one on my shoulder because it was falling down. So you can definitely do that. But how cute is this? Paired with some flip-flops. Mwah! Chef's kiss with this one. The back, we have no back pockets, but we do have the stretchy tank top or tube top vibe going back here. I love everything about this romper right here, and I feel like when I get a tan, if I get a tan this year, it is going to make my tan pop. I love this. And if you purchase this at a very low cost at wholesale, you can sell these and make a big profit. Because I feel like these would sell out fast. Especially on TikTok. These would probably go viral and sell out fast. So if you want in on this, you better get into Deer Lover and check this out. This would be a big item to make sure that you pick up and stock. Because I'm sure that if you put this out there, you're going to sell it. And you're going to sell it fast and you're going to make a profit. Here I have jeans. These are just a classic pair of blue jeans. They do roll. I rolled them up a little higher than they came just because I wanted more of a crop. You can roll them a little more, but they do come pre-rolled. Paired with this t-shirt, these jeans are the distressed look. There's the back. These also just go with this untucked. Wear the blue jeans like this. This shirt would also pair well with any other pair of shorts or leggings, anything like that. Super comfortable. These jeans are in a size 14 for reference. Super stretchy. We have stretch, we have give in the jeans. I just paired them with some flip-flops. I'd say this might be my favorite outfit, but I don't know, because every one of these is spectacular. Of this deep blue in the waistband in here is amazing. This was a 2-piece set. It is in a size extra large, very roomy, no compression whatsoever in this waistband. Perfect for the girlies who have stomach issues and don't want to feel anything touching them. Also really like the square neckline in this. I really never thought I liked square necklines, but I really appreciate this one. I like how flattering it is on your chest. Yes. So I want to go over how dropshipping and Dear Lover works. Here's the fun part. You don't need to be a tech genius to use Dear Lover and learn dropshipping. With Dear Lover, you just create a free account, choose the styles that you love, link it to your Shopify or any other account that you run your boutiques through, and promote it. When someone buys, Dear Lover handles everything behind the scenes. You get to focus on building your brand, styling your cute content. It's that easy. You could make as much money as your heart desires, up to $12K or more if you wanted to. And if you're thinking, Michelle, I want to try this, I've got you covered. Use my code CORSO, C-O-R-S-O. That's going to save you $40 off your first $150 purchase that you make on their website. Pro tip, try a few of these pieces yourself. It'll help you understand the sizing and how everything fits, as well as their shipping timelines. There are 2 actual websites that you can use. You can use their wholesale website, or there's also the dropshipping website. On the dropshipping website, there are no minimum purchases. That's where I purchased the things that I also wanted to try in addition to these items. And I didn't have a minimum purchase for that. These items are so nice that they are well worth it. I'm not gonna lie to you there. I love every single piece that I got. Second tip I have for you is to use their US warehouse whenever possible. You're gonna avoid those shipping surprises. Finally, bundle your orders when you can. It'll definitely help you save more on those shipping costs. Dear Lover is really easy to maneuver. Just go to their website. I'll have linked down below. Click on the link, register your account. It walks you right through setting everything up, even how to link your website or your boutique right to it. And Dear Lover will take care of the rest. All you have to do is pick out the styles you love and go from there. If you've been dreaming about launching your own store and making some extra money, or just want to explore the dropshipping world without the chaos, Dear Lover is a super fun place to start. I know I thoroughly enjoyed going through everything and trying these pieces on. Let me know if you want a full tutorial on setting up your store on Dear Lover, or even just any help picking out inventory. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to use code CORSO, C-O-R-S-O, at checkout with Dear Lover and save yourself $40 off $150 or more. It's well worth it. And I think that you can make a lot of money just selling the items on their site, because there are some phenomenal items. All right, until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Everything will be linked below, and have a great day.